When you see the ABS service required warning in your Mitsubishi Outlander, it's alerting you to a problem within the anti-lock braking system. This dashboard warning should never be ignored. The ABS system is a critical safety feature that prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking. This allows you to maintain steering control even in emergency situations. The system relies on wheel speed sensors that monitor each wheel's rotation. These sensors send data to the ABS control module, which can detect when a wheel is about to lock up. The warning activates when the system detects faults, when sensor readings fall outside normal parameters, or when communication errors occur between components. Modern Mitsubishi Outlander models feature advanced ABS systems that integrate with electronic stability control and vehicle dynamics control for enhanced safety and performance. Ignoring the ABS service required warning can compromise your vehicle's safety. The system may not function properly during emergency braking situations, so addressing this warning promptly is crucial for your safety. When troubleshooting ABS service required warnings, understanding the most common causes helps prioritize your diagnostic approach. Here's the breakdown of typical failure rates. The troubleshooting process follows a systematic approach. Start with basic checks before moving to advanced diagnostics. Follow these 5 essential diagnostic steps in order. Each step builds on the previous one to systematically identify the root cause. Step 1. Check the brake fluid level. Low brake fluid is responsible for 25% of ABS warnings and is the easiest issue to identify and fix. Step 2. Inspect wheel speed sensors. These sensors are the most common failure point, accounting for 40% of ABS issues. Look for physical damage, corrosion, or debris buildup. Step 3. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. Modern systems provide specific fault codes that pinpoint the exact problem location, making diagnosis much more efficient. For ABS control module issues, which represent 20% of cases, you'll need to check power connections, ground circuits, and communication with other vehicle systems. Module replacement may be necessary in severe cases. Prevention is key to avoiding ABS problems. Follow this maintenance schedule to keep your system functioning properly and catch issues before they become major repairs. Remember, systematic diagnosis saves time and money. Start with simple checks like brake fluid level, use proper diagnostic tools, and follow manufacturer specifications for all repairs. Regular maintenance prevents most ABS issues before they occur.